Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, A Little Bit of Everything with Erin. I'm going to be super annoying and do a voiceover because I did not realize until I was almost done with this video that I never plugged in my microphone. So in today's video, we're going to be putting HTV on a textured kitchen towel and a kitchen tea towel to show the difference and why it is better to use the tea towels. I picked up both at Walmart. The tea towels are 2 in a package and it was just under $5, and the regular kitchen towel was like 98 cents, something like that. Alright guys, so here is the Whimsical Woodlands bundle by craftbundles.com. It's $12, but if you use my code ERIN20, it'll bring it down to $9.60. As of today, there are 67 days left to pick up this bundle pack. I'll just go through here really quick. You've got Deers and Unicorns, Music and Unicorns, Music Animals. I really love this monkey one. It reminds me of like a baby shower one, so it'd be great for that. Whimsical Animals, Framed Animals, Whimsical Creatures, Whimsical Silhouettes, Animal Frames. These would be cute for like Easter. Musical Creatures. I really love the squirrel on the saxophone. I don't know why. I just think it's adorable. So yeah, that is all of the ones you get in that. There are 120 cut files in this file, and you get it in SVG, EPS, DXF, and PNG. So it's easy to put this in your program and just go ahead and cut that. If you have any questions about how to do that, just leave a comment down below and I will show you the video that I have for that. Okay, so I've cut out 2 images. They're exactly the same on a piece of HTV. I'm going to go ahead and weed those. I'll fast forward that so you don't have to watch that part. Alright guys, again, sorry for the voiceover. We're going to do the towel that has the texture in it. It's the cheaper of the 2 towels. First, I'm just pulling out my pressing pillow because I really feel like we're going to need that to help adhere that vinyl to the towel. I think with the texture to the towel, it's going to have issues adhering properly. I'm not putting my Teflon sheet down because I still have that transfer tape on top of the HTV. And we're just going to press that straight on there. My press is set at 315 degrees and we're going to press this for 20 seconds. Carefully remove the transfer tape. As I was doing this, I knew that it did not stick very well to the towel because the HTV shifted slightly. So we're definitely going to do a second press. This time I'm going to put the Teflon sheet over it so that the hot plate doesn't touch the actual HTV itself. So again, we did that at 315 degrees for another 20 seconds. I'm not sure if this will show up, but if you looked at the edge of the vinyl, you could kind of see it puckering where that texture is. I think I got a better shot of it when I used the camera to take a photo. It's on there, but I'm pretty sure if you throw this in the wash, it's just going to shred right off. So the tea towel, it does have all these fold lines in it, so I'm just going to press it for 20 seconds, just like I'm ironing it. Now I'm just laying my image down and I'm going to press it for 315 degrees at 20 seconds, and I do not have the pressing pillow under it this time. And I'm going to remove that transfer tape again. There was no lifting of the HTV, but I always double press everything, t-shirts, doesn't matter what it is, I always double press. So I'm going to lay my Teflon sheet down again so it doesn't touch the hot plate. 315 degrees for another 20 seconds. Alright, that is on there and it looks like it is just on a t-shirt. There's no lifting, there's no puckering. It's going to stay there for a little while. I would be safe to put this in my washing machine and not worry about losing any of that HTV. I'll throw some photos at the end of this so you can see it a little better. But if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my page. Please give this video a thumbs up. That really does help me out. Share it if you want to. And if you hit that bell, you'll get notifications anytime I post new videos. Until next time, guys, happy crafting!